Em, come up here. So far down.
Probably at the bottom. I've seen horses.
No, I see it.
Yeah, should we tie them up again soon?
Yeah.
Are we almost there?
Let me get to that.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to come here.
Whoa!
On a what? No, fuck that. I wouldn't want to come here when it's raining either.
Whoa.
Think how hard this would be to walk in the rain.
It'd be a river.
Yeah, basically.
It is.
Whoa.
So tuck it up your ankles.
Yeah, or break them. Whoa. Trippy. Whoa.
Em, you up there?
Bugs. Oh.
Hey, you're gonna like topple forward onto me, aren't you?
No, that would suck.
Oh, I know, you break your face, man.
Yeah. Like this one kid, Nicholas Robinson, he's going down a fast-ass hill, and he uses his front brake, does like 3 front flips and eats shit.
On a skateboard?
On a bike.
On a bike?
Yeah.
Oh, that's true, there are no brakes.
Front brakes. And then his dad was in a car down the hill, and he saw him falling. He opens the door and he hits the door.
Oh, it'll stop you.
He was gonna get out to help him, but it was too late. He smacked him and stopped him.
Yeah, we should probably come over.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, you alright? That was a nice rock to land on.
Oh.
You didn't hit the big one. I don't know if I got that. I was not paying attention to the video.
The one white got.
You wait here for him?
Go fill up your water bottle.
Yeah.
I bet that's you, fucker.
Come here, boy.
Come here.
Em, come.